In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform into Squarespace. Let's dive into a wonderfully convenient way to integrate powerful forms into your Squarespace site using Jotform. You'll see how this can enrich your site's functionality, whether for collecting feedback, taking orders, or any other form-based interaction you need with your audience. To kick things off, you'll first need to head to Jotform's website. This platform is a versatile form builder that caters to various needs, from simple contact forms to detailed surveys. Once at Jotform's homepage, you should see the option to log in. If you're new, don't worry, creating an account is straightforward and quick. Upon logging in, which you can do directly using Google or another platform if you've connected it previously, you'll be taken to the My Forms section. This area showcases all your forms, allowing you to manage them efficiently. Look through your forms and select the one you wish to integrate into your Squarespace site by clicking Edit Form. With your chosen form open, your next step involves heading to the Publish tab, which is essentially where the magic happens in terms of sharing your form. Under the Publish options, click on Platforms. This area is designed to facilitate the embedding of your form into various website builders and platforms, but today we're focused solely on Squarespace. In the Platforms section, you'll find a search bar. Type in Squarespace here. Your search will narrow down the options significantly, and soon you'll see Squarespace listed. Click on it and you will be provided with a specific embed code tailored for Squarespace. Go ahead and copy this code. Now let's switch gears to your Squarespace site. Navigate to the Squarespace editor, making sure you're working on the site or page where you want to embed the form. Here you will add a block which Squarespace facilitates through its user-friendly interface. Simply type code in the block search area to find the right block type. Once there, click on code to add a code block to your page. Now it might feel a bit techy here, but it's simply a matter of pasting. You're going to insert the embed code you copied from Jotform right into this code block. Squarespace's editor allows you to click Edit on the code block to paste your code, ensuring that the process is as smooth as butter. Once you've pasted your code, it's all about the visuals. You may want to preview your page to ensure that the form appears as you envisaged. It's essential to check that the form not only displays correctly, but also functions as intended. Test out the form by filling it out and keeping an eye on whether responses are being logged correctly back in your Jotform dashboard. This step is crucial to ensure everything works seamlessly for your site visitors. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to embedding a Jotform form into your Squarespace site. This method opens up a myriad of possibilities for interaction on your site, making it more engaging and functional for your visitors. Remember, the key to a successful form integration lies not only in the technical steps, but also in ensuring that the form serves its purpose effectively, providing a seamless experience for users and valuable data for you. Don't hesitate to explore Jotform's extensive gallery of form templates and customization options to make your form fit your site's aesthetic and your brand's needs perfectly. With a little creativity and attention to detail, your embedded form can become an integral part of your site's success, bridging the communication gap between you and your audience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Integrating Jotform into Squarespace might seem like a small task, but it's steps like these that elevate your site's functionality and your audience's experience. Happy form building, and see you in the next video.